Are you vacuuming the same spot over and over with little to no results? You're likely dealing with a faulty motor, a problem all too common for Dyson V11 owners. It might start with a subtle loss of suction, a strange whirring noise, or even a burning smell. What's happening inside? Over time, the internal components become damaged, reducing its efficiency. This is a high-performance motor, and it needs to be in top shape to deliver that signature Dyson power. Ignoring a weakening motor leads to more than just a dirty house. You're straining the other components, potentially causing further damage and costly repairs down the line. Plus, you're wasting time and energy with a vacuum that isn't doing its job. Don't let a minor motor issue turn into a major disaster. RoboCare specializes in expert Dyson V11 repairs. We understand the intricacies of Dyson V11 vacuums, especially that high-powered motor. With years of experience specifically repairing Dyson models, our technicians are experts at diagnosing and resolving motor issues. We use specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem, whether it's worn brushes, internal damage from overheating, or a complete motor failure. Our approach is thorough. We carefully disassemble the motor, inspect each component, and replace any faulty parts with high-quality replacements. This ensures optimal performance and restores your V11 to its full suction power. But don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the remarkable results RoboCare can achieve, bringing your Dyson V11 back to life. Watch as your Dyson V11 comes back to life. Powerful suction, deep cleaning, and a spotless floor, just like new. When we returned the vacuum cleaner, our customer was thrilled with how well it worked. Contact RoboCare today for expert Dyson V11 repair and all your vacuum maintenance needs. Visit our website or call us now